think this is a great lesson for Bollywood. Okay, Bollywood तो अभी फिर से remake बनाएगा.
They have got one story.
One story, they have gotten one story and they will make the remake. But
hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are here to give our complete movie review of Drishyam 2.
Yes. So we have Mohanlal sir as the lead role here in this movie as George Kutti, his name.
Yes.
Okay, and the other casts are Meena as Rani, Anshiva as Anju, and Esther Anil as Anu. Okay. So I think they all are there in not Esther Anil in the part 1. Yes. I think because the name also was like similar. Anju and Anu in Hindi also the kids' name were same only. Exactly. And here also. So these 4 are the complete family of Mohanlal sir. Okay. So we'll be talking, the complete movie review in this video. So stay tuned for this. And before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe this channel and also click on the notification bell.
Yes. And also please do follow us on Instagram.
Yes. So let's get started.
Yes.
So at the very first beginning of the Drishyam 2, we would like to say about the picturization first.
Yes.
So at the very first, it was looking a complete jungle, and that scene was like beautifully executed. Just I want to say that
in day's time, it was
night time,
right? It was a little bit of suspense,
horror, thrill kind of was going on.
Like
yes,
that
yeah. You will just get the thrill from the very first, like within 1 minute only. You just get this movie is going to be a thrill.
But I want to say that like for the first 5 minutes you won't be able to understand what is happening. Going on.
Yes, what is happening.
We were also in suspense that what is going on. What is the context? A guy is running throughout the jungle. We did not understand everything. We didn't understand anything.
So at the very first it was showing a guy was like running throughout the jungle, and the jungle was like all the camera angles were like beautifully captured the scene. तो bird जो है वो पंछी वगैरह ये कर रहे हैं, आवाज chirping noise, and it was like thrilling. You will just get some horror kind of situation is going on, or some thrill, or why he is running. You will just get that thing in your head. But slowly you will understand why he was running, and he was witnessing something. He will be witnessing something, and that is the major point of this
major
movie.
Point, and after that he will get caught by the police.
Yes, after that. So this is the whole the starting point of the movie, you can say, and after that you will see that Mohanlal sir is leading a very happy life with his family, and he was he is having the cable channel the office again, which we saw in the Drishyam 1 movie, and in the trailer also, that he is a very happy-go-lucky kind of a person, very loving gentleman. But after that the case will be reopened.
Before that, I want to say that he's also have a plan to open his own theater, and he want to release his own movie as well. So that one is also a context we have seen in trailer.
In trailer we have seen this context. Yes. So he is trying to open a theater. The theater name is Rani only. I think his wife name only.
He is expanding his business.
His business, and with that thing also nok jok chal raha tha. Like his wife also is like saying why. Typical middle class kind of thing, like why you are investing so much money on this business, and kind of scene you're just going to see. Okay,
like small general kind of that happens in everybody's home.
Correct. Yes. So like in this meanwhile only you will see that the case will be reopened eventually. Why? Because every police person and everybody was like curious about the incident, like what happened exactly. In Drishyam 1 movie also we saw that some people believed that he is not the culprit, some people believed no, I think he has done something.
And some more in this beautiful movie also, context is also there, so I think you have to watch the full movie for that.
Yes, so this is the whole storyline of the movie. The case will be reopened, and after that what will be happened, that you have to see.
The main thing, and that is the twist and turns. There will be a lot of twist and turns.
Oh God, last में at the very end you just have to see the complete I think 2.5 hours movie, long movie, and you should not miss any single glimpse of the movie. You have to sit, keep quiet, and just want to understand what is happening. Otherwise you will not get
for us also. We started watching this movie at around 1 a.m.
night, and it got completed
around 3:30 approximately. That is some
that time only I post in the community.
Can you think guys, like that time also we didn't feel sleepy. The movie was executed so beautifully.
We were just sitting like this and we was just watching. You just don't believe us, but we did like that only at 3 a.m.
That our expression was at night also, it was glowing, right?
I was clapping at the very end. I was clapping and I was like, oh my god, the camera is not running in front of my eyes, but still I'm clapping. I was screaming. So that mysterious the movie.
People might have heard from our window also outside, right? They might have been thinking what these guys are doing.
Okay, so this is the story, pretty much the storyline of the movie. We cannot reveal that much. Of course, we are
overall,
maintaining the privacy.
Tell that overall the movie storyline is so beautifully executed, and I think most of the people will love that storyline.
Yes.
So from the beginning to end, whatever they have seen, and the performance-wise, if you say like it was a kind of natural acting by each and every character in this movie.
Yes. Of course, Mohanlal sir is the complete actor. We all know that he's acting. He was crying. He was sobbing at the very end. Like every single thing, like every single scenarios, like you can definitely read from his face. I think in some point you don't need subtitles also. You can understand his body language, his facial expression. Okay, you can understand. Okay, he is trying to say this and that. So that is flawless acting Mohanlal sir was having. Also Rani, that is Meena, the lady, Mohanlal sir's wife. Her acting was also very natural, and I think the showstopper would be, of course, Mohanlal sir. What do you say? Mohanlal sir, yes.
And also the girl. Right?
The girl, the first daughter, Anju,
the first daughter who was the culprit, you can say, right?
Culprit nahi hai, matlab everyone think.
Because that she was the culprit only, and for that only this all incident happened, right?
Culprit or victim, you can say. Victim, not culprit. Victim, yes.
She should be a victim.
Yes, she is the victim. Her acting was also like unbelievable.
Her standard of acting in this particular movie means it was better than the first one. Because in first one it was not that kind of character needed, but here it was a kind of character you are too much weak now. After facing a lot of the things you are weak, so those things you have to show on your face. That it is being covered here.
Yes, that is what. And also I would like to cover here the BGM. Okay, like every time some suspense scenes are coming up, and the movie is full on suspense, so every time, like when you are seeing some Raat ka incident or police persons were like speaking with each other and what the scenario is going on, the music was like very beautiful. It was not harsh. It was very soft, but yet you will feel some goosebumps in your like body. It is like that only, na?
Of course.
The BGM was
also top class.
And also I would like to say here in the BGM perspective only, one song was there at the very middle, and I really loved that song. I thought of trying out that song for you guys. I don't know whether I'll go like do justice to the song or not, but yes, that song stole my heart.
Right. I think you
that was beautiful.
Once, right? Our audience will say the same thing. You should
some dark mystery is going on. The dark truth is there. Something in the subtitle only we understand that the meaning of the song is like that. But the meaning also is very beautiful. That song. And what else? The picturization was like marvelous.
And story was a screenplay. Whatever it was totally covered. Whatever the speed or motion it was from the beginning. It was perfectly executed till the end. We didn't find that the movie is lacking something, or it's going into some unnecessary things, or it is slowing down the performance or something like it. So it was perfectly executed throughout the movie. I like that part.
One part I just want to mention over here, like in some of the portion you might think that okay, this portion is not that needed, but later on at the very end you will understand, no, that portion was very much needed. So this is kind of this movie, you have to be stick around, otherwise you will not understand.
You have to remember each and every character playing around.
So that is actually, I thought at the very beginning, or you can say at the middle, I was telling Abhay that this scene I think is not that needed, but at the very end when everything was like wrapping up, that time I was like, okay, that scene was like coming up again here. So no scene was like that, lagging, or it is like pretty much unnecessary. No, nothing like that. It is complete. Complete movie. Right?
And whatever you have told in the beginning only, the picturization was the beauty.
Beauty of the sea,
and we have seen a lot of the greenery. As it's Kerala. No doubt it's famous.
They have captured the greenery of the Kerala.
They have captured the heart, you can say.
I was feeling I was feeling a little bit cold to see the weather. It was like वो होता है ना, drenched weather. Okay, wet weather. All of the trees were like green and wet. Okay, I really love that.
Sometimes you have seen that it was raining also, right? And also we have went Munnar. So we have felt that weather as well.
That weather, okay, it was like continuously. I think 2 days trip it was, and 1 day full rain in Munnar. So we could feel the feeling. Okay, we were been there, so we're like, okay, this weather is pretty much that weather only, Munnar wala weather.
And now also we can feel that.
Now also we can.
What was that?
Yes. So pretty much we have covered, I think, everything. What else?
I think direction wise we haven't covered.
The direction.
What about the director? You can say, right?
Salute. पहले salute दे देते हैं. एक salute. Okay, to the director, because like I think moreover the director also, I think the writer, whoever has written the story should get a Nobel. Okay, because this story knows something you cannot imagine.
Yes,
I can totally say that. I will not reveal anything. I will just tell that this story, I think nobody, even Hollywood, Bollywood, any wood cannot think about the story like this is going to be the turn up of the story. You cannot even think.
Second part is much more beautiful than first part.
Yes.
And also one more thing I would like to cover, like if you haven't watched by any chance, if you haven't watched the first part also, still if you watch the second part, you will get the context.
Yes.
At least 90% to, I think not 90%, but 80% you will get the context.
Yes.
What is the main context that has happened in the first part?
In the first part. Yes. So like it is my personal I think thought that the second part is way more better than the first part. What do you say, Abhay? Right now,
I also like that
for both of us, because second part mein na, like it is more thrill, more suspense, even more I think more turning points, lot of बहुत सारी चीज खुलेगा. It will opening up a lot of paper, I think.
And it also shows that a man who is protecting his family can
do anything.
Till what extent, right?
Any extent.
It shows really beautiful.
Yes. So that is what actually all about the movie. I think this is a great lesson.
Right?
I think this is a great lesson for Bollywood. Okay, Bollywood तो अभी फिर से remake बनाएगा. One story they have gotten one story and they will make the remake. But to be very frank, I just want to see Ajay Devgan's acting in this movie, because Mohanlal sir's acting was phenomenal. I just want to say see that if Ajay sir has done justice for this role or not. I have full faith on him.
We have seen the first part.
That is
and I think he has done justice with that character as well.
That is why
he did, his performance was
very good. And even not only him, Tabu's acting was unbelievable. Then the lady, जो wife थी, her acting was like phenomenal. Like Drishyam Hindi version was like top class. You can say.
We started loving Drishyam after watching that first part. Then you can think that how it was also beautifully made.
Correct.
Exactly.
So that is why I think we will be waiting just to see the remake of this Drishyam in the Hindi dubbed. But yes, our respect always will be fulfilled for original one, Drishyam Malayalam, for Mohanlal sir and the whole team. Okay, so definitely like कुछ सीखो बॉलीवुड ऐसे टाइप के मूवी बनाते हैं. वी जस्ट वांट टू से एंड कंक्लूड दिस फैक्ट बाय सेइंग दिस दैट इंसान चाहे ना तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. मतलब ऐसा स्टोरी भी इंसान के दिमाग से निकल रहा है ना. पीपल कैन राइट एनीथिंग, पीपल कैन राइट देयर थॉट. इफ पीपल विल बी some person will be talented, no, they can write any kind of thing. So that is what
Bollywood should also now, they should also hire such good talents to write stories for them. Now they are just not paying anything for stories, just they are copying anything from other states.
That is what
out of their they are making their own money, right?
Actually they are even though if they are trying to write their own story, no, that will be containing only boy, one six pack वाला boy, one hot सी लड़की, एंड वो लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद शादी कर रहे हैं, झमेला हो रहा है थोड़ा बहुत, बस हो गया, खत्म कहानी.
This is what.
But this is not the story, man. This is ऐसे करके ऑडियंस को अब क्या बोलोगे?
It's not a natural kind of thing you can say, right?
This is not real also as well. So yeah, that is it for today's video. And yeah, last question अब है, सब में direction बोलो, screenplay बोलो, picturization बोलो, storyline, सब में तुम किसको सबसे ज़्यादा point देना चाहते हो? Every मतलब सब कुछ ही 10 में 10 है, but still
I will give the two thing. Good point, right? A storyline as well as Mohanlal sir's acting. His silence and his little bit aggression also was there, little bit like feel like anger that something is bad going to happen and I have to protect my family. Like that of the situation was there, and his eyes were like having a lot of a storm inside it. Those things I like it.
Yes. Me also the same. The story would be getting the highest point from my side, and of course Mohanlal's acting.
But at the end also I would like to say that I think if there will be another sequel by somehow
I think there would not be, because in the end only you will understand, okay, this is the wrap up of the story. Maybe निकल भी सकता है, can be
a twist.
Yes, there can be twist, but what I think in this perspective, like at the extent that okay, this is the final of Drishyam. Yes, Mohanlal's acting, he was like thinking by closing his eyes. That time only the camera angle, and it was like you can totally feel the storm going on in any father's heart. Okay, how he is feeling that his family is under danger, kind of situation. Like you can definitely, you will get goosebumps for sure. You will get goosebumps for sure. Just write down my like my words in your letter. Okay, so yeah, that is
overall,
it for
how much you want to give this rating to this particular movie?
1 crore out of 10 from my side.
that is at least not possible. So out of 10, how much you want to give?
10.
Right?
10 out of 10.
No doubt.
10 out of 10. Yes.
So how much you want to give this movie? How much rating you want to give to this movie? Let us know
in the comment.
So that also at least we should know what you are thinking about this movie.
Correct. I think people will agree. Everyone, I think 99.99% people will agree our point. And if you have not seen this movie, just go and watch. We are just requesting you. There is no point, right? We are not getting paid for telling, but still we are why we are saying, because I think this kind of talent or this kind of whole execution should be showcased as much as possible. That is why we are telling.
Everybody should watch this movie, and most of the different language they might be waiting to remake this movie.
Correct. We were searching for Hindi, but it was not there, unfortunately.
Because it will get remade in Hindi. That's why. That will be the reason.
Yeah. So we have heard Mohanlal's original voice. Everything was original, so we was like, okay, we have not missed anything.
At least for us, it will be not that much suspense if you want to watch Hindi also. Right? Just we knew the story, we'll go and watch the performance.
The performance actors, acting only. मैं तो सिर्फ अजय देवगन की एक्टिंग देखने के लिए जाऊंगी, अगर मैं देखती हूँ तो बाकी मुझे और किसी का परवाह नहीं, seriously. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I know this video are pretty long, but I think we have covered each and every single thing. If we have missed anything, please let us know in the comment bar. We'll be like definitely interacting with you all. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and also press on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.